Well, we're not in Florida anymore, and all of our hoses are frozen. So I'm going to show you. I guess I'll just take you along with me as I go to try to give all the animals water. So come hang out with me. All right. My poor tractor. Let's see. Go. I don't know why I'm blowing. That's not going to help anything. There we go. Let's see if she even starts. Come on. There we go. Good girl. All that snow out of there, because that's what we're going to be using to get water to all the animals. Definitely beats 5-gallon buckets. Oh boy. Come on, warm on up. There you go. It is pretty though. There's Eva. Hi Eva. Hi Eva. You like the snow? We've tried to get Eva to come inside. I forced her to come in a few times, but you know what? She's an outside dog. She's loving this. So don't be hating on us later when you're like, why's your dog outside in the snow? Well, she's a livestock dog, and that's what she wants. And you know, we even tried to force her in. She just didn't want to go. So yeah. All right. So careful that I don't rip our pipe out of the ground. There's a few. There's a few spigots that are still working, thankfully. So this one's been working. Let's see. There you go. So yeah, we'll just fill the bucket up as much as we can, and then we'll take a trip to all the different animals areas and pour the water in. Let's see. Hey goats. Hey goats, what you doing? Margie doesn't like it when I call them stinky goats, so I'm not going to call them stinky goats. I'm just going to call them goats. Hi goats. Oh, this is. Let's see, I've tipped this over yesterday. It was frozen solid. Oh, let's see if it even comes up. There we go. Check that out. Woohoo! Let's see. And that one's good. There we go. Hi, goats. You guys want some water? Huh? You want some water? Oh, yeah, all your water's frozen. Let me get you some water. I'm not even gonna try to fill that up. Those will be frozen by the morning. Here you go, goats. Some water. Have some water. See you later. Stay warm. All right, our bucket's full. That will be the. That'll be one of 4 buckets I'll probably end up having to do. All right. Then I got to be kind of slow. I don't lose it all. Tip it back a little bit. Splish splash. Hopefully by the time we get where we go, we got half of it in there. So far so good. Face mask. Let's see. Cows are hiding in the woods. Good for them. All right. So, thankfully, my bucket's kind of bent a little bit and unlevel, and the ground's unlevel, so it actually works out really good. Makes a nice little spout off the side. Let's see. Hopefully, you can see that on the video. Oh, let me back up a little bit. No, get in the bucket. No, in the bucket. There we go. There we go. All right. Perfect. Store. Now cows, they drink a lot of water. I mean, if you think about it, you got 2 cows, we milk them twice a day, and they give us between 2 and 4 gallons every milking. So So we're getting between 4 and 6 gallons of milk out of them every day. So yeah, they need to stay hydrated. They can turn that into milk, but they also need obviously some to survive as well. So we're gonna go get another load for them, and then get some for get some for Nutmeg and for Muddy, and then we'll go over to the piggies, and then we'll head over to the peacocks and the other chickens and the other chickens. So yeah, we still got a while. Thanks for coming with me. Hopefully you're nice and toasty warm, not freezing your butt off like me. Alright, round 2. Alright, for some reason my microphone died, so I guess we'll figure out later how much of that you actually heard. I was having a good old conversation with you and my microphone died, so sorry about that. Maybe it just didn't like all the cold. Alright, there's the second load. Get a little bit of that to the cows. Water filled up, so the last little bit for the cows. Oh, nice and full. Now I just need them to make sure they come out of the woods and drink it before it turns into ice. Then we got a different problem on our hands. Got a little heater to put in there, but just haven't played with it yet. I was hoping that all this would be gone and I wouldn't have to use it, but I might have to, so. Alright, that's nice and full. Get another load. Actually, let's head over there and go get the packages, so they don't get all iced up. Let's grab our packages. Oh man, this wind. There we go. Good as new. Do 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 do. I really can't stay. No, where are you going? Baby, it's cold outside. Hey, 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 hey. Got to go away, but baby, it's cold outside. All right. That should stay. We don't have more to go. Okay, fine. Go right there. Maybe like this. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Almost like those building house boxes. And there's Eva again. Watch out, Eva. Watch out, Eva, puppy. Eva! Look at that beautiful house. Looks really nice and stuff. I don't know what I do without the tracker. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bad me. Don't tell Alicia. Crazy driver. All right. Let's make a delivery. Amazon! Alright, well, no one's home. How rude. No tip or nothing. There's your Amazon packages!
You're driving a tractor! You check mailbox?
No.
Why not?
Sorry.
No,
I didn't see her go to the mailbox. Mercy wants someone to write her a letter. That's why she's checking the mail all the time. Waiting for her pen pal. Shout out to Mercy's pen pal in California. Alright. We're looking good. Hopefully this isn't too boring for you. But I appreciate the company. At least if people see me talking, I can say, hey, I'm making a video. Instead of when they normally see me talking, I'm not making a video and they just think I'm crazy. I guess while that's filling up, let's go get the bunny waterers. I had to get some new ones from the store because the other ones are frozen cracked. So, yeah, that's another thing. So you can't even see where my driveway is. It's over here somewhere. The birthday presents in here somewhere. Here's some new bunny waterers. Or as Charity likes to call it, the bunnies. Yeah, the bunnies don't really make money. They cost money. But maybe one day we'll get a system going and start using them for meat and fertilizer. In case you don't know, bunny rabbits make the best fertilizer. You don't have to compost it. They're like mini cows, mini goats. You can just throw. Let's see. Got a little thingamajigger in here. Ta-da! Take that out of the other one too. I'll lose it. And then this is where I get myself cold. And I'm not going to fill them up all the way this time. I'm going to leave some room so that when it freezes and when it expands and contracts due to freezing and unfreezing, it doesn't break it this time. So we're about to find out if these gloves are waterproof, and I think the answer is no, they're not. Normally, it's crazy how just a simple normal chore that takes no time at all normally becomes so darn complicated in the winter. I am so glad that we're here in Southern Virginia and this is an anomaly and not just a normal day life, because I tell you what, I wouldn't be a homesteader if this was how it had to be all the time. I'm telling you right now. Okay, let's see. Hi bunnies. Hey bunnies. You guys want some water? Yeah, they're loaded up with hay there. These things look like garbage. It's partially because they kind of are, but hey, I got them at the auction for $5 and I'll clean them up, but the bunnies don't care. They're safe from predators. They got food and water. It's warm. So there we go. Let's see. Guys? Oh, there's some more over here. I want to put another waterer right here, guys. Sorry. Hi, guys. Hey. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Hi, guys. What are you doing? You want your water? Okay. All right. How about for you over here? You want some water? I guess that's a yes. There they go. Thirsty? Nice. Not warm, but it's not frozen. Water. Got the dairy cows, check. Got the bunny rabbits, check. Got the goats, check. Now, Nutmeg, our 1-year-old Jersey heifer is next. And her bunk buddy, Muddy Waters, the pig. And you know what? I remember that their water bucket broke. And so I'm gonna go take this one from the goats since they have a bucket now. And I'm gonna bring this over. This one's not that pretty either, but it'll hold water. That's all that matters. spill at? Got right there. Let's get back a little bit. All right. Do. Nutmeg. Hi, Nutmeg. Hey, Mud. Hey, watch out. Look at that. That water. Water that spilled on here is frozen already. Crazy. Oh, I know. Wait, move. Move, boy. Move. Move. Move so I can put water down. Hey, move. Ah. Oh, you stupid head. Yeah, you want water? I can't do it because you're moving my bin. Hey, Nutmeg. Hey, Nut. Whew. Slipped a little bit. Sorry, Nut. A little slippery here. Nut. Alright, well, I'll try to get you guys water. Muddy kind of ruined it a little bit. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this because he moved it. Yeah, it's gonna pour out that side, isn't it? Let's see. And then when I go there, it tips the other way. No fun. Okay, you're gonna have to readjust. Woo! Hey, water, stay in there. Well, we might have to go for a fifth today. Thanks, Mud. All right, let's strategically get this tire low so all the water tips out that one side, and I don't think it's gonna work. Watch out, Mud, you're gonna get all wet and frozen. Where are you gonna drip out of? Good. Mud, you need to move. You're gonna get all wet. Perfect. Well, I guess Mud's getting wet. Alright, well, that'll just have to do. And I guess they're going to get the whole bucket because a lot of it's going to spill on the ground. Well, that didn't go as well. Too bad I was recording that. I guess we're going back for another bucket. Ugh. Mud, you going to share the water with Nutmeg? No? That's not nice. Okay, fine. Oh, you guys aren't that thirsty? Okay, that's cool. Maybe I'll check out tonight. Alright, maybe we'll get some more load. Watch out, Eva. You go, Max. There you go, Bob. Normally, all of these would be on hoses with automatic water valves, and we don't even need to touch it. This ain't normal. Alright, round 4. Okay. Still coming down. More, but it's almost like myself. I'm sure there's a way better way to do this, but oh well. It's better than buckets. Well, I guess technically it is a bucket. While we're here though, I tell you what, if you're putting frost-free hydrants in, don't get the blue ones. Don't get the cheap blue China ones that are 60 bucks. Get the $150 Woodford ones, the red ones, the ones that are made in Iowa. It'll save you so much headache. I have 3 blue ones that I need to go replace because they just cannot handle it. These ones are cast iron, and they hold up really, really, really well. Parts are easy to find. Yeah. So I mean, it's something that you have to deal with multiple times a day, every day, for the rest of your farm life. You might as well. That's one thing you don't want to skimp on. I am a cheapo, but don't skimp on those. And that wasn't my choice. These are all here when I first got here, so I guess I can't complain too much. Beggars can't be choosers, but I do wish that they were all the red ones, not the blue ones. So as I go through and replace these things, I'm going to replace them with the red ones. And I'm going to spend a pretty penny on them, but it's so worth it because hopefully never going to have to fully replace them ever again. All right. Got a weird little setup here, so I might just transfer these ones. Oh look, there's a hammer. Oh, cool. Cameras are great, especially now. All right, let's get in here. So on this side over here, we got chickens, more chickens. They've been, can't tell, but that's the garden. And that's our raspberry and blueberry bushes. And this is our potato patch. You can actually still see some of the stubs of the potatoes sticking through. But yeah, we put them over here so that they could get it all, whoa, almost died. They could get it all fertilized up for us, but, oh, I see eggs in there. This is normally Gideon's job because obviously there's a lot of projectiles in there. Well, that bucket's not gonna work. That's the other thing. Oh, look at this. You guys have water still. Sweet. Oh, I missed that all. Okay, let's see. Woohoo! See, this part's not fun. This part's kind of fun. All right, so y'all have water. I'll come back later for those eggs. I don't want to disturb you guys. And then over here, I'll get in there. I'll show you. Or Gideon's peacocks. He got a peacock for Christmas. Look at that. Isn't that ridiculous? Oh, look at that. Crazy. There we go. Ooh, that was satisfying. All right, that one. I'll just dump some water with a bucket in that one. Oh. Water on top of ice. That's good enough. Rest of that can be for the pigs. Let's go say hi to the peacocks. Peacocks! Oh, I can't make a peacock noise. Gideon can. Gobble, gobble, gobble! Alright. And so, oh, we'll do a chicken hanging out with them. So technically it's one peacock and 2 peahens. Oh, look, there's another chicken in there. That's a meat bird that somehow escaped freezer camp. So, yeah, I don't know. But yep, so the boys are the ones with the colorful tails and the colorful blue necks, and the girls are kind of the bland looking ones. Sorry, ladies. It's the men who, proud as a peacock, want to show off. So, hi, peacocks! Yep. They ain't exploring much these days. Okay. Let's head over to the stinky pigs. Oh, let's go see the ham. Ham, pulled pork, bacon. Let's get through that bucket right in the middle of my roadway, which is what I tell the kids not to do, and I did it. Hypocrite. If this bucket wasn't broken, here's a cool little tip. Take an old broken garden hose and cut it, and then you just unsnap these from here. So sideways, so you go like that. Yeah. Just unsnap it like that, and then you actually put the garden hose over it, and it makes you a nice little comfortable handle. And I'll actually take this off because this bucket's going in the garbage now. So, little trick, especially if you are carrying buckets of water everywhere. A pound of water is 7 pounds, and if you're using a 5-gallon bucket, assuming you fill it all the way up to the top, what is that, 14, 28, 35? 35 pounds per bucket. So, yeah, that little tiny metal handle will dig into your hand, and if you just take a few hoses, since hoses don't really work right now anyway, make yourself a little insulated handle. Okay, let's see where the little piggies in their water. Piggies, hi piggies! There's your water, right where it's supposed to be. Good job, piggies. Alright, let's see how we can do here. Maybe turn a little bit. Lose too much of it here. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, you guys get extra if you want to. Alright, we'll just dump it all in there for you. There you go. Don't worry, they have bales of hay over here that they hide in, so. Normally these guys are out on pasture, but obviously, pasture's buried in snow. So we made them a little pen, just a temporary little pen for now to keep them warm and dry, and so they also don't destroy the pasture because there's not much there, and we're having to supplement the feed, which we don't like to do. So ideally we should have eaten these guys already, but they weren't as big as I'd like them to be, so just bad timing on my side, but oh well. They're cute. There you go, have fun. You might be thinking, oh, that's so mean of you to throw it in the ground. Well, number one, they're pigs. They enjoy rooting around. Number two, it might surprise you, but pigs are actually pretty tidy when they're in confinement. They will actually pick a corner or a side, and that's the spot where they pick, and they will not go potty. At least these ones won't go potty in their bed. So yeah, just a few little facts. Now we just gotta drive out to the field. Eva, what are you doing? You going to explore? Where you going, Eva? Okay, have fun. Livestock dogs like to patrol the property, like to explore. And as long as they stay on the property, we'll let them do that. Eva's very good about that, except other Pyrenees that we've had that are not so good about that. I don't know, she tends to follow them. And I don't know if it's just her herding instincts trying to make sure that they stay safe, because she's like the adopted mama, or if they're teaching their bad habits to her. So, yes, we have to do chain training with our young livestock Pyrenees. So they need to stay at home, stay with the livestock. And if they don't do that, then we put them back on the chain. We don't intend to leave them on the chain. That's not the goal. That's just lazy. It's just temporary. So you'll see once we get out to the other chickens that Everest or Ella, I can't remember. They all start with E, so it makes it kind of hard. Is out there on a chain. So don't worry. She's got hay and a nice warm dog house, which she never uses because she doesn't like to be in a confined place. She likes to be in the wide open. So, but it's there if she gets cold. But speaking of which, I need to grab some dog food for her. It's much easier to drive it out there. Oh, of course it's all the way in the back. Why wouldn't it be all the way in the back? To be honest, she doesn't really like dog food. She wants real stuff. I'm gonna bring her some milk. Some old milk to put on her dog food. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna bring this whole thing out there. Why not? We feed the dogs, cats, the chickens. They all get skim and whey, and sometimes just old milk. We mix it with their food, or sometimes we just put it out there straight, and they love it. So. In fact, they prefer it. Chickens, and we don't necessarily have we don't put net around them anymore, like the ones that are closer to the house by the garden. We have them follow the cows, and they just kind of go wherever they want, which is great, except when they're close to the house and it's cold, and they want to just nest up underneath our porch and poop underneath our porch, and then we get rotten eggs, and we get chicken poop under our porch, and then come spring, we got a fly problem. So yeah, we keep them out here. Hi, puppy! Hi, puppy! Hi, how you doing? Hi, puppy! Oh, you see Eva coming. Are you guys stealing the doghouse? Shame on you. All right. Let's see. I think we still have some dog food left over there, but oh well, we got more. Eva! Eva, you're not going to steal, are you? Okay, we already had a bowl out here, so I can bring this one back. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. What did you do? You got all wound up? Why'd you do that, huh? Why'd you do that? Hi. Let me get you unwound. Hi, guys. Hi, ladies. How you doing, ladies? I see eggs in the back. Good job. You guys nice and warm in here. Now, for those of you who don't know, we're out here on 100 acres. So you might be going, well, why do you need to make sure the dog stays over here? Well, coyotes and possums and raccoons and skunks and all kinds of critters that would love to eat my chickens, but I'm supposed to eat my chickens, not them. So there we go. I can see we give her, she gets a nice super long chain. It's almost like she's not even on one. See how far she can go out. And then Eva gets all wrapped up in it, and then they fight, and then I untangle it, and you know, it's just a good time. All right, water's frozen. Yeah? Go, Eva, go. Go, Eva, go. They're not fighting, they're playing. Just so you know. Oh, you guys are laying eggs in the dog coop. What are we doing that for? I guess you know what? I'll use this for eggs. Don't tell nobody. We're not selling eggs right now, we're just eating them. Maybe I'll actually, you know what? Maybe I'll put a padding of snow in there. For the trip. Nice fluff ball snow. Alright. What are you guys doing laying in here? See that? See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not frozen either, so we can eat them. 5. If they were frozen, we just feed them to the dogs. And then this old guy needs to get up in here. Let's see. Hey guys, I'm coming in. Ready or not? Where are my eggs? You guys can hang out. I'll be right out. You guys can have your. All right, and here they are. They had one good chicken laying in. Oh, see how that one split? That one's dog food. Probably why they're laying in the corner. It's nice and warm over there. It's probably too cold up here. Oh, that one split too. More dog food. These guys. Look at that. Oh, that was a big, beautiful double yolk too. Man, split. Oh, split. I spoke too soon. Good. And good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 eggs. 15 eggs in the, oh, I missed a thing here. Here's another. I'll put the split one right there. Here's another nest. I bet you there's one underneath. That one's not split. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. All right. 20 total eggs. 4 of them are frozen. Oh, sorry, camera. Hey guys, I'll give these to the dogs, okay? Sorry, it's gonna be dog food. Okay, any nest under there? And any nest? You know what? I think there's another nest under there. You guys still going at it? Want an egg? How about you? You want an egg? Here you go. Hey, get it. You guys just gonna play with it? Are you gonna eat it? Okay. Oh, I see another egg under there, but I'm not going underneath there. The dog can have it. Oh, they're gonna have a feast. Oh yeah, no, never mind. Hold on, let's take that back. Beep beep, watch out chicken. Take a scooper. Beep beep. All right, let's see what this frozen egg looks like when we crack it. Nothing. Look at that. Yummy. Truly is frozen. Solid as a rock. See that? Look at that. Solid as a rock. Okay, and then let's add some milk. Some old milk. Oh, guess what? I left this milk out and it's frozen. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, yay. Okay, just the top part's frozen. There we go. Look at that. Oh, Eva wants it. Eva, you got something up by the house. All right. Come here, puppy. Here you go, puppy. See if they fight. Oh, are they gonna share? No? Eva gonna steal it? What? Okay, fine. You want a bucket of food too? Eva has food up by the house, but sometimes she can be a jerk. Is Eva being a jerk? You want some cereal? You want some dog food cereal? Come on. Here, pup. There you go, you have the rest of it. Oh, well. That's frozen solid, okay. Chunks of it out for the chickens, I guess. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna use this for water. That'll help me rinse it out. And I could have milk water. Again, conventional people are probably freaking out right now. What are you doing? You don't know what you're doing. That might be true. But I tell you what, chickens love it. See, this is what we normally have. We normally have this tank, water on both sides, with a valve on it, so it takes care of itself. Nope, not today. And here comes Nutmeg. Hi, Nutmeg. Well, so I guess I gotta eat my a comment from earlier, because it said these blue ones stink, which they do, but here's a blue one that is held on. So they're not all horrible, I guess. Oh, there goes Nutmeg. That's fine. As long as Muddy doesn't go in. Oh, wait. I spoke to... Oh, no, there goes. Hey! Get in there. Alright, we got Nutmeg on the loose. That's cool. Okay. This is, again, pain in the butt. Nutmeg! Nutmeg! You got no shelter in there, Nutmeg. Come on in here. Come on, Nut. She is, I don't know. I don't know why she's acting that way. Oh, dog's getting her. Oh, come on, Nutmeg. Come on, Nut. Come on, Nut. Come on, Nut. Nut. Hey, got water. Right here, Nut. Nut. Hey. Right here. Come on, Nutty. There you go. Oh, let's see that. Are you crazy? Huh? Are you crazy, Nut? Hey, Nutty. Want some milk? It's kind of weird. Well, I guess you're cow. Cow milk, so whatever. What are you doing? Huh? She's getting huge. Yeah, probably by the end of the year we could probably breed her. She'd be a good milker. I'm excited. Just don't have any babies in the winter, please. And I got water all over my legs. Yay! That's what I wanted. Nice freezing pants. Hi, pup. What? Drink yours? Look. Milk water. Cereal. Okay. I just need one more bin for the chickens. And I just passed it, so I just went in circles for no reason. What do you think you're doing? Get out of there. What? You want some of this? Go get it. Go have fun. Have fun. Just stop stealing. I got food. But they'd rather eat the dog food. Although some of them like it. There you go, find it in the snow. You're so mean! That's where chickens find all their food, guys. Alright, I don't know what to do with the rest of this. I got too much apparently. I'll just fill this one up and call it a day. Alright. Oh, there was eggs under here. Do I want to get them? They're probably frozen. Why not? I'm here. Huh. Never mind. There are none. Nice pretty blue one back there, but I don't feel like crawling under there, so. Alright, girls. Stay safe. Keep making eggs. Gobble, gobble, gobble. No? Too cold for that? Huh? Too cold for that? What about you? Say hi to the camera? Huh? You're a pretty one. Yeah, you're pretty. Okay, go back. Alright. All done. I'm heading home. I'm gonna go sit by the fire. Oh! Bye, puppy. Be a good little monkey. Bye, puppy. Bye, Eva. You saying?